Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to comment a photo on TikTok. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home page where videos from the accounts you follow are displayed. Next, find the video where you want to leave a photo comment. Tap on the comment icon on the right side of the video to open the comments section. A list of recent comments will appear on your screen. After that, tap on the Add Comment field at the bottom. Then, tap on the camera icon next to the comment box. This will open the TikTok camera. Now, switch to the Photo option, take a picture, and post it as your comment. And that's how you can comment a photo on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.